Welcome back to another episode of Workers.com Staffing Pulse, Insights from the Frontline. Today we're focusing on a key role in the maritime industry, shipfitting. We explore the essential technical skills required to succeed, as well as the soft skills that truly differentiate long-term professionals. There's something powerful about standing on a dock and watching a ship take shape. Massive steel sections being lowered into place, sparks flying from weld seams, crews moving in rhythm. And at the heart of that process are shipfitters, the people who make sure every structural component fits exactly where it belongs.
Shipfitters are often described as the backbone of ship construction and repair. They assemble the structural components of ships and ensure each piece fits securely and meets strict engineering specifications. From laying out the keel to installing bulkheads and decks, their work determines whether a vessel is structurally sound and seaworthy.
And what's important to understand is that shipfitting isn't just welding steel together. It's interpretation, it's precision, it's understanding ship design principles well enough to bring complex blueprints to life.
Exactly. Shipfitters spend much of their day interpreting technical drawings, making precise measurements, cutting and shaping metal, and welding components together. Their work requires both technical knowledge and physical skill.
Let's talk about the structural responsibility. Ships operate in extreme conditions: saltwater exposure, high winds, constant movement. Structural integrity isn't optional, it's critical, and shipfitters are responsible for making sure frames, hull sections, and reinforcements are aligned exactly to spec.
That alignment starts with understanding ship design. Shipfitters must comprehend how hulls, frames, bulkheads, and decks come together. They need to know how buoyancy, stability, and weight distribution affect performance.
And this is where we see a hiring signal. Employers value workers who understand not just how to perform a task, but why it matters. When a shipfitter understands the structural logic behind a blueprint, their work improves.
One of the most foundational skills in shipfitting is blueprint reading. Shipfitters must interpret detailed schematics that outline dimensions, materials, and assembly procedures.
And that's not a surface-level skill. Blueprints can include multi-layered diagrams. Measurements must be exact. Misreading a dimension by even a small margin can affect entire sections of the vessel.
Metalworking is another core competency. Shipfitters cut, shape, and assemble metal using welding, brazing, and riveting techniques. They must be proficient in MIG, TIG, and stick welding methods.
They also operate lathes, milling machines, grinders, plasma cutters, and oxyacetylene torches. These tools require technical knowledge and hands-on precision.
And we're seeing increasing integration of CNC equipment and laser cutting technology in shipyards. That means today's shipfitters benefit from digital literacy and comfort with advanced machinery.
Shipfitting is physically demanding. Workers often operate in confined spaces, at heights, and in variable weather conditions. Physical stamina and manual dexterity are essential.
And there's a mental component too. Problem solving. Adapting to unexpected alignment issues. Making adjustments when sections don't initially fit as planned.
Employers consistently look for candidates who combine physical capability with attention to detail. It's that combination that separates short-term labor from long-term skilled trades professionals.
Safety in ship fitting cannot be overstated. Workers operate around heavy machinery, open flames, and large structural components. PPE is mandatory: helmets, gloves, eye protection, respiratory masks.
Regulatory standards like OSHA guidelines define workplace safety expectations in shipyards. Compliance isn't optional. It's essential.
And this creates another hiring signal. Employers prioritize workers with a strong safety mindset. Someone who follows protocols consistently builds trust quickly.
Many shipfitters begin through apprenticeship programs that combine classroom instruction and hands-on training. These programs teach blueprint reading, metalworking, and safety practices.
Vocational schools and technical colleges also offer training pathways. Graduates receive certificates or diplomas that improve employability.
Certifications from organizations like AWS and NCCER demonstrate skill competency and increase earning potential.
Employers often look for certification as a signal of commitment and standardized skill validation.
Shipfitters work in shipbuilding, ship repair, and offshore construction. They may work on cargo ships, tankers, naval vessels, or offshore wind installations.
Ship repair yards offer continuous demand for structural refurbishment and maintenance. Offshore construction projects, including oil rigs and renewable energy platforms, are expanding.
And as renewable energy grows, offshore wind farms are creating new demand for structural metalwork expertise.
Shipfitters face challenging environments, confined spaces, tight deadlines, evolving technologies.
Keeping up with industry changes requires continuous learning. Automation, robotics, and digital modeling are reshaping shipbuilding.
Workers who embrace learning opportunities position themselves for advancement.
Advancements like robotics and 3D printing are entering ship construction. Automation is increasing precision and efficiency.
Shipfitters who adapt to new technologies and pursue ongoing training will remain highly valuable.
Continuous learning, networking, and staying informed about regulatory and technological changes will define long-term success.
Shipfitting combines technical skill, precision, teamwork, and safety awareness. It's demanding but offers stable and rewarding career paths.
For employers, invest in training and prioritize safety and reliability. For workers, build core skills and commit to continuous improvement.
The ships that cross oceans begin with precise structural work on dry land, and shipfitters make that possible.
Thanks for joining us for this deeper dive into careers and hiring signals in modern shipfitting.
We'll see you next time with more practical workforce insights from the front lines of skilled trades and industrial hiring.
And don't forget, subscribe and follow us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, or your favorite podcast platform so you don't miss future episodes. Until next time.